Okay, an update on countersinking these holes for the bolts and the rotors, the brake rotors. I ordered carbide bits, and I just received them today, and just did the first hole on a rotor, and as you can see, it is much better. There's one using the high-speed steel bit. And this was actually the worst one. I think the bit had been really dulled to a great degree at that point. There's one that I had started and it just wouldn't go with the high-speed steel. But now you can see that I've just finished this one with the carbide bit, and it is much better. It doesn't get nearly as hot. In fact, don't think I felt any warmth at all. And just using a little bit of bow lube. Right here, it's a lubricant, and if you've never seen it before, I've showed it in other videos. But a little bit of bow lube is a lubricant, just an oil to help it cut smoother. And anyway, I took my time with this, and it worked really well. So learn your lesson. Don't go cheap and buy a bit that you think will work, the high-speed steel. If you really need to, buy the more expensive carbide bit. I can't remember what the high-speed steel bit cost. It wasn't a lot. Somewhere between maybe like $7 and $15. And the carbide bit was $44 a bit. And so considerably more expensive, but don't waste your time. Go with the expensive one. More to come. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed. I'll just show you the carbide bit in action. I just started a new hole, as you can see. So I'll show you how nicely it cuts. One thing I failed to mention in the previous video is, or in the early part of this video, is also slow the speed down of your drill press as much as you can. I had it somewhere in a mid-range speed, and I've got it the slowest speed possible, which on this drill press is about 860 revolutions per minute, if I remember right. So let me show you this. I want to make sure that I'm doing this right. Okay, here we go. Just a little squeaking and a lot of metal. Very nice. More to come. One last thing I want to mention is I found a really nice clamping tool at Harbor Freight. It basically, there's a bolt that comes through, and then there's a ring, kind of a ring nut right there. You tighten it in, put the bolt through one of these slots, and then tighten it. That clamps the whole thing down. And then right here, you can see basically you just set it and clamp that down. The first one I bought didn't work. It wouldn't stay clamped, and I was so disappointed because I really wanted this thing to work. Just took it back today, got the second one, tested it at the store, and it works like a champ. Really nice, only $8. Saves me so much setup time, because before I had to use all kind of various clamps in different positions, and it was just really a pain in the butt. So well worth it. I might buy 2 or 3 of these things. More to come.